Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super exciting project, a balcony makeover. If you have got a balcony that have been feeling a little neglected, stick around because we are going to transform it into your favorite spot in the house. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, folks, first things first, let's assess the situation. Our balcony here is a bit lackluster, wouldn't you say? But fear not, with a bit of creativity and elbow grease, we are going to turn this space into a little slice of paradise. Now, before we get started, we need to gather some supplies. We are taking paints, plants, cozy seating, maybe even some fairy lights for that extra touch of magic. Step 1, fresh coat of paint. We are going for a bright, cheerful color to really liven up this space. Don't be afraid to get creative with your color choices. It's your balcony, after all. Next up, plants. Whether you have got a green thumb or not, adding some greenery to your balcony is a game changer. Opt for low maintenance plants like succulents or herbs if you are a beginner. Now, let's talk seating. You want to create a cozy atmosphere where you can relax and unwind. A couple of comfy chairs or a small bistro set should do the trick. And don't forget some plush cushions for added comfort. Last but not least, let's add some personal touches to really make this space feel like home. Hang up some artwork, throw down a colorful rug, or drape some fairy lights for that extra cozy vibe. And there you have it, folks. Our balcony makeover is complete. Just take a look at this transformation from dread to fab in just a few simple steps. Now all that's left to do is grab a cup of tea, sit back, and enjoy your newly revamped outdoor oasis. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until the next time, happy decorating.